What started with a first idea developed into a breathtaking vision. Followed by realistic, convincing visualizations and intensive plannings. The team of MEEN developed an exciting, spectacular show installation right at the feet of the world's largest Ferris wheel on BlueWaters Island. The Light of Dubai.
Take it with us, just gotta believe it's true.